Cece, what's going on? Is Nevaeh okay? Oh. Oh. Oh, Nevaeh, she's quite sad. Look at her. Okay, she's trying to get rid of Bobby. Oh. Oh, Nevaeh's okay. Nevaeh, you're so rude. Don't you ever play like that again.
Abuse Mom. I'm kidding.
I got your ass. Give me that hair.
Oh man, you didn't even care.
No, she did, Nevaeh. She was crawling around you a little bit. She was sniffing a little bit. She cares.
Yeah, she cares. She's cute.
She's a good doggy.
I'm a good dog. Good dog. That's a good dog.
Does Cece want a belly rub? Cece want a belly rub? Oh, please be careful. What are you doing? Oh, oh boy. Can you get her off me?
Yeah.
Get her off me. Oh, get her. She has 3 legs, Nevaeh. Oh, there it is. There it is. There it is. We do
Took a
good
while.
girl. She's a good girl. Oh, she's good. What is on your?
Told you.
What the heck? What is
She
that? It
had
looks like
stuff
you.
on her face.
Did you touch coffee? It looks like she touched coffee or something.
Garbage again.
What is this? Were you in the garbage or something?
She
What's on
touched the
your
garbage
face?
again.
Cece, did you touch the garbage? Did you?
Ow. You know they're so
Did you,
sharp.
Cece? I think you did.
Oh, she's so cute.
Okay.
No, wait, don't. I want to put my earmuffs on her.
Cece. Cece. Oh my gosh.
Oh, she's so cute.
Cece.
Give me it.
Cece. Oh, what are you doing? Okay, take that off.
Aw.
She's a pretty girl.
Oh, you're so
Okay.
cute, a beautiful dog.
All right, that was, what
See
was that
ya.
called? What was that video called? What did you do? What was that little
Dog
challenge prank
versus
thing?
cat. Care about the human dying.
Oh, you wanted to see if the animals cared about you, if something happened to you?
Yeah, I wanted to see if like cats would care more than dogs, and if dogs would care more than cats.
So
when their human dies.
oh, so do you think Mittens cared?
Nah.
Do you think Cece cared?
Yeah, she was crying a lot.
So which one of your loyal
Mittens, you
animals
love
passed
me.
the test?
Well, Mittens, I sleep with her like every night, and she's the best. So like, but Cece,
Mittens, come.
Cece's always on guard.
Come here, Mittens.
She's the best.
Come here, Mittens.
And Mittens is pregnant, so.
Well, we think. We're not sure.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure.
Tuna's a savage, so it's quite possible.
Yeah, she's probably on the couch right now.
Yeah, probably. Tuna!
Tuna, you there?
Tuna!
Tuna.
Tuna, where are you? Are you in the couch?
I think she's in the couch.
Shh, if you listen carefully, you can hear her moving around in there.
She comes out when when she hears the food.
Yeah, you shake the
Look at
food.
Mittens. Mittens is here. Beautiful cat.
Looking upstairs like she hears something. Okay, fine, Tuna. We're not recording at all.
Look, Mom. Look at Mittens.
Sure.
Did you?
Hi,
hear
Mittens.
me? Did you hear me?
Look at Cece. Cece's jealous. Cece, you're always jealous. You're so jealous. There's lots of love for everyone.
she
Look at her face. What did she do to herself?
Yeah, she looks so weird right now. What? Are you good?
Cece, like, it looks like you were drinking, like, coffee or something.
Dog chow.
I don't know what you were doing.
She had a late night party with her dogs.
Yeah, no kidding.
Her dog
Okay,
friends.
we're going to end this
We'll
video,
end
you
this
guys.
Video. See ya. Wait.
What?
Don't forget to like, share, subscribe if you like Tuna or Mittens. Oh yeah, comment which animal you like more, Mittens or Cece.
We like them all the same. You can't, like, pick which one's your favorite.
Mittens is like equally.
But you
better.
can pick which
Cece-
one passed the test.
She's in the garbage.
Oh, makes sense.
She just had her whole face in the garbage.
That makes sense. That's probably what's on Cece's face.
No, I said Mittens was.
Right. Well, great. Now she's going to have the exact same thing all over her face.
Okay.
All right. Okay, we're done,
Don't
yeah?
forget to like, share, and subscribe, and comment too if you want. Oh yeah.
What?
Did you just end the video?
I was just about to,
Oh my gosh.
but then you started
Get
talking.
that finger away. Okay. So, what was I gonna say?
This isn't a long video.
Okay, so.
Oh my goodness, you forgot. Okay, we're done with this video,
No!
you guys.
Okay, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment if you want. And also, did I say subscribe?
You may have.
Okay,
You lost
like,
me.
share, subscribe, and comment if you want.
Okay.
Okay.
Alrighty then.
See ya, you reckless fam.